welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video so far. I just want to go through exactly what we've installed on this Mini JCW. So obviously, as you can see, we've got the new splitter. So we've got all the kit here is from a company called Maxton Design, who have designed and supplied the actual parts itself. So we've got a front splitter which sets the car off really nicely. I love the matching in terms of that gloss black finish. It just blends into the vehicle so nicely and really gives it a far more sporty look. We've also then got the side skirts as well, which look absolutely incredible and just make it kind of blend all the way to the rest of the car. The car now looks absolutely amazing and exactly how our client wanted it. So if you're interested in having similar kits like this added onto your vehicle, feel free to reach out. Best thing you guys can do is come by, meet with our team, and we'll go through and spec out and design your car, customize it exactly how you want to, but also make sure you go check out the website because we've got loads of stuff on there for different upgrades that we offer, not only for this vehicle, but for any other vehicle as well. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. It's a bit of a short one, but just wanted to go through these really cool little upgrades on this Mini. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.